Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Percent Private Credit Investing Review My Usage Experience. Percent Private Credit Investing Review My Usage Experience offers access to information and analysis regarding private credit investments. It's geared towards individual investors interested in diversifying their portfolio beyond traditional stocks and bonds, potentially seeking higher returns but accepting higher risk. The service presumably provides insights into different private credit opportunities and offers tools to assess risk and potential returns. Their website provides details on their research methodology and the types of private credit investments they analyze. They highlight the potential for higher returns compared to public markets, emphasizing transparency and due diligence in their analysis. They claim to offer unbiased reviews and avoid any conflicts of interest. Availability is online only, accessible via their website. Pricing information is stated to be available on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Percent Private Credit Investing Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply created an account on their website. The interface was clean and easy to navigate, though I initially found the terminology a bit dense. Once I got used to the jargon, it became much easier to understand their analyses. I particularly appreciated the detailed breakdowns of each investment opportunity, including risk factors and historical performance data. The quality of the research seemed very thorough, although some reports were more accessible than others, depending on my level of investment knowledge. I had a quick question about a specific investment and their support responded within 2 days via email. Their response was informative and helpful. I was really impressed by how clearly they presented complex financial information. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive charts or graphs. Visualizing the data would have made it more intuitive for me. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Percent Private Credit Investing Review My Usage Experience. It's a valuable resource for anyone interested in learning more about private credit investing, though it does require some pre-existing financial literacy. That's my overview of Percent Private Credit Investing Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.